Occasionally our tech support team get customers asking, why is my Tow-Pro flashing red? Let's run through why this is occurring and how to rectify it. The Tow-Pro has a built-in fault detection system that uses the remote head LEDs to alert you to any problems with the braking system or the installation itself. There are two causes for the red flashing fault code. Firstly, if you are towing with an Alko IQ7 braking system, in this case, the red flashing light signifies a problem related to inadequate air pressure. For additional information on this issue, refer to your Alko IQ7 user manual. Secondly, the red can signify an issue in the grounding circuit of the trailer braking system. While the Tow-Pro will still attempt to brake the trailer while displaying this fault, the braking performance will be affected. It is recommended to avoid towing until the fault can be rectified. As diagnostic testing is required to identify the cause of poor grounding, REDARC recommends you seek the support of an installer. However, the following steps will help guide you through the common causes and how to fix this issue. When fault finding, it's best to start simple. So let's start at the trailer plug. Ensure that the trailer plug pins are clean and free from dirt and corrosion, and not squashed inwards. Use a contact cleaner such as RP7 or WD-40 to clean the pins if dirty and corroded. A small flat blade screwdriver can be used to straighten any bent pins. Be careful when doing this, as the pins break quite easily. Also, give the trailer base a quick clean, as we did with the trailer plug. Reconnect the trailer plug in the vehicle and check to see if the fault code is still being displayed. If the fault is still present, check the size of the ground wire at the trailer system. Remove the covers from both the plug and the trailer base, and if you need to, detach the trailer base from the tow bar. Check the size of the ground wire going to pin number 3 of both the trailer plug and base. Make sure it is 4mm automotive wire, which is the minimum requirement for the Tow-Pro installation. Check that the ground wire is securely connected within the plug and trailer base and has a suitable ground connection such as a vehicle chassis. If the existing ground wire is not a sufficient size, simply connect an additional 4mm automotive wire to pin 3 of the trailer base, then connect this wire to the vehicle chassis earth point. Connect the trailer plug and base and check to see if you have fixed the earthing issue. If the flashing is stopped, reassemble the covers and refit the base to the vehicle. Finally, the issue may be due to an insufficient ground to an Anderson plug. To diagnose this, disconnect the Anderson plug while the red flashing is occurring. If the flashing stops, this indicates that the cause of the issue is a poor ground connection. Inspect the ground wire of the Anderson plug to ensure it has a good connection consisting of a clean terminal attached to bare metal or unpainted surface. Relocate this connection if required. This inspection needs to be carried out on both the vehicle and trailer Anderson plug wiring. If you followed these steps and your Tow-Pro dial is still flashing red, please contact REDARC Technical Support. And for more tech tips, head to redarcelectronics.com.